Okay, then come here. Let's do your tummy. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good girl. You did it. You eat some raspberries and then we'll make some more pancakes.
In 2009, the Canadian Diabetes Association recorded 2.4 million Canadians living with diabetes. And as well, 20% of other cases are undiagnosed.
She has a pancreas still in her body, but it doesn't do anything. So every time that she eats, she needs to have insulin. If it goes for a prolonged period without any insulin in her body, it'll start to turn her blood to a form of acid, which can get her really, really sick, and we end up in children's. Wow.
Joey Gibbons does this annual golf tournament for the diabetes research, and you just need to see a few cases like the Mayas of the world and to know how important this is, that we do find out what causes the diabetes.
Can you hold it? And we'll do your butterfly to see where your sugar level's at.
One of the overall technologies approved in Canada is a tubeless pump. However, the overall goal is to develop an internal pancreas so we can dance better, right? I'm Leah Bolton with Joy TV News. Getting dizzy.